Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very impressive movement on this one today, especially when you factor in the overarching context about how the overall markets were quite bloody, yet this one made a nice move upwards. Although as I'm doing this video right now, it's looking kind of shaky in the post-market. The problem with that is there's all the post-market, and then you have all the pre-market. So where is this going to open up? I'm not quite sure. But yeah, as of right now, it's down below the 122 mark. But I'm just going to assume that it opens somewhere up around here. However, the main level and the level that I'll be very curious about going into tomorrow is this area right there at the 122.50 mark. You can see that was a former area of resistance right there. And then on the movement right there, nice breakout move on the pullback. Great example of resistance turning into support, which bounced it up there. And then there's this pullback here, and the price didn't quite hit it exactly, but got close enough for 122.50 in my mind, at least, to be a significant level to watch going into Tuesday. So that'll be the near-term level of support, and then nothing new here. And I'm not going to harp too much on it because the price isn't that close to it. But 116 still a very intriguing level. If you're curious about why that's so intriguing, you can just go back and watch the previous videos I've done in the archive. But like I said, because the price isn't that close to it, no need to spend any more time with it. As far as levels of support are concerned, and this is definitely a very interesting level and one of those areas where, this is not some discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, watch charts, and understand them are going to be watching this level and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, it can produce, self-fulfilling prophecies, whatever you want to call it, but some nice dynamic movements. But that's right here at $130. You can see 130 has presented some problems in the past, and once again was where the price got rejected from. So I'm not saying it's guaranteed to go up and retest these highs, around 135. But yeah, high volume break of 130 could definitely create a pretty interesting situation. So that's going to be a level I'll be watching very closely going forward. But the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.